Okay, Friday, April 24th. Last night Kevin was dreaming about the boat cover because of all the issues he's been having. So now show us how it works, honey.
Remote.
Okay, wait, let me zoom in on the remote. There's a teeny tiny remote there. Okay, go ahead. Da 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 da. Isn't that cool? Super cool. But it's not taut yet. Will it get taut? Yes, it will. Okay, now if you want to have a little bit of shade.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit of shade. Yay! So you can stop it at any point. You can stop it. There you go. And now you could have even more shade if you bring it down a little more. Perfect. It's incredible. It's quite incredible. Keep you shaded back there. And then you can lower it all the way down and you can show everybody. And there's also a switch that he installed on the console if you lose the teeny tiny remote. Always a possibility. Yay! Friday morning, A+ Kevin, yay!